ngiyayithanda ngiyibone nokuyibona. Awufake ibuku lesamanza yazi. Ngale kancane. Uzibona ngifake ibuku. Yena nto ezongisiza le. Yabona ngibona nenyama escreenini.
Lale kancane.
Khona ngenye futhi sithengile kanje yamachini tontoni bona abantu abanama-asa basasazi-ke solokho sithi abantu banama-alsa kanti vele bafuna into ebabayi kukhona mina-ke kuyangi-accommodate bona nginakini zakhala la mama uyabona
Sanibonani. Umusic, uYouTube akawufuni phela umusic. Cela ungizosha. Sobuye sivule. Yini phone noma laptop? Oh yeah. Uzovela ikhathi yonke lo nto uYouTube akawufuni umusic abanye akumisa emali kanjani ama-copyrights.
Afuna ukupromote abanye abantu.
No, not akafuna ukupromote misuse uma ufaka more than 30 seconds, no more than 30 seconds. So ufake ngathi uyawu-own. Oh, la kuthiweni eyokclean i-braai stand. This one is only for cleaning i-braai stand. Unjani? Awusikhokho? Hamba kanjani? Hayi uyabona semqabaqaba nje namazinga.
Guys, ngicela siyinipheze, ngicela sikhiphe i-braai njengaphandle.
I-braai ready. Nenyama ready. Nayo i-braai stand.
Okay, into sizoqala ngayo siqale nge-braai.
What's that? Uhambe lapho uyofaka lapha eveza lento ekhonza lapha.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys. I am a team leader currently in the business. For me to become a growth leader, I need to generate my direct sales of 20 people that are going to pay for the policy. Should there be 14, that means 6 is required for me to become what? To become a bronze.
Imali Angela yenza nge-structure sami because mina ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ngifuna ukuhamba next year. Ayisikhokele mina nihamba amashaya moya la nihamba ma-weekend awayisisala.
Angikole nge-structure sami before I want to go there.
Okay.
Kubalulekile la ngithi mina nguthini like how would you have qualify
I-cruise, angeke siya kwi-cruise next year.
Yeah. For us to qualify for that cruise, udinga ukuthi ube team leader. Mina ngora team leader. Uthanda qualify.
Team leader sifanele ube no-core 7 abawu.
Udinga o-core 7 abayi-4. Mina in this case,
only 4.
Look at this here.
Yeah.
In this case, book. Mina no pin paid abayi-2 and 2 core 7. That means it's a higher rank than core 7.
Core 7, yeah.
So, 2 core 7 and 2 team leaders. So, the 2 big that allows me to become what?
A team leader, okay.
But then it's what is required in the system. Remember, there are 2 criteria that we need to meet.
Ube no core 7 abawu-2.
No core 7 abayi-4.
Okay.
No 4 core 7.
I already have a core 7 101 and it's me. Yeah.
Yes. Mase uba nabantu abayi-10 abakhokhela amapolisi. Mina sengabantu abayi-14 abakhokhela amapolisi. But I'm running away from sitting on a 14 people to pay. Last month ngavala abantu abayi-18. So ngifuna abantu abayi-20 ngapha. Yacela isistem ukushokela abantu abawu-6 to become a broad leader. Once I become a broad leader, ngithola 4,000 rand bonus, which is
that's just a bonus before the pay, before your normal payment from the
payment, which is commission. But for me again, it's okay. I'm saying that in the way of the Canada. What I'm doing, gentlemen, what I'm saying that I think was coming is putting a lot about 141 about Kokela police who are targeted for that by me.
Ha, moso lapho phela so relax nje so fola.
Relax. I normally tell people, guys, we just find about 10 a month for the next 10 months. 10 people a month for the next 10 months will amount to 100 people.
Yeah.
Look at this here. 90 141. That's what we touch about. 141. Which is thing about 141. Police about that value. Then you build the right kind of structure. You can right kind of structure now or 10 times gold rank holder within your business. How do you actually achieve the gold rank holder? We are about gold, now gold. Four times
7 about
4 times team leader and 6 times core 7. Then one for build a land. Guys, just something similar.
Sesenyamen.
Then the company is going to give you 12,000 once off as a gold. And all of people need as a 10,000 rand. But this 10,000 rand is a monthly minimum payout.
Hayi guys inemali ka.
There's money in the
There is money like ekhaya ngeke.
So then from there, it says Zakala.
Because it's standard is every month.
It's every month. For as long as you come out to back with everything your tree are paying for their policy. When they accumulate that 10,000, that 10,000 is a minimum. It's a minimum. Why am I saying it's a minimum? Look at it. I just quoted you 10,000.
Lo 10,000 is a minimum ngoba kusuke kusazongena imali yama policies kuphinde mongabe uyosell futhi on top of that kusazongena i-commission yabantu bakho obaswitchisile or abathathe okay.
Plus nanokuthi abantu bakho bebodwana abantu bakho bebodwana banabantu bakho nabangithi so usuliberate kumsebenzi
we also earn from them.
Yes, and ukhumbuleke futhi la usukuba almost 66 people usuna usuke up to bani up to 4 level if I'm not mistaken. Depending on the
asibuyele structure sami ke manje bese siyodla inyama ngifuna ukubona ngishoda ke phike ke manje mina because ngiyayifuna le cruise angikwazi ukusala kule cruise
angithi ngitshelile lapha ukuthi udinga ukhosa abayi4 abantu abayi10 direct sponsored by you
njengamanje nginokhosha 7 oyi1.
Yes, okay. Police for you to become a team.
Now ngiceleni kwami kufanele akusebenza aba ukho 7 asheshisa phusha nyuke.
Abana manje uphathe social media like this lady will go far. Ibonile yami athatha like into wena like amanga I 100,000 amaniki ngama like.
Baya ngithi phela ngena during the day mina ngisho ngisebenza ngibusy.
So now angile ngobone ama point aba accumulated.
How many points do we need to go to qualify for this cruise holiday incentive?
About 32. And the highest point holders will then be counted among these 3 which is needed. Then from there everybody will be sorted out. So far, it's about 5 are qualified for this team. My second account is about to come in this team as well. It will be qualified now. Okay, let me look out here now. I'm looking to see
Well, angikwazi ayazingenela ayingenele efowunini yavele ngawasave. Hawu ya ngisase ngifuna ukusho lo ukuthi idonse kweyakho
Khamaphi ma?
we ubalade hambe kuyochama di so phisa kakhulu ima usho manje sima hamba ubalade futhi udi usaye kochama udi uhambe lokhiye nje
umuntu esifazane nje lo bahamba nokhiye wami ukhiye wabantu esifazane different wala
kulungile ngeke ngikhamisa la lokhiye wakho
ukwazi uhambe nokhiye lo muntu uhambe nokhiye wala uyena uhambe nokhiye
benze njani bayeselethe
awuzama ukucheck ukuthi utarafana
vele nethoyilethi straight ngizohamba kanje
nefoni
sikuyogeza angithi umbonile udingo uqhubela
angibona ngibona bezombuza Le nto ongaconsult iyahlupha guys. Le nto ongaconsult iyahlupha. These days like office no these days. So lapha mawena about like office.
Okay, kambe kanjani phuma uhambe straight
Clicks.
before uphumele clicks.
Clicks lo khona iphathejeni la. Kule iphathejeni la uzothi uma ungena ngapha isitapha esilokhuza esingasithayela. Kanti ushawu 2020 hash. Then ubheka i-chat labafana leli lophezulu ukuthi nawo yophi. Noma livuliwe. Uma lingavulanga fanele kulinde.
Noma angena emantombazaneni nabafana amphelezele vele. Uzongena emantombazaneni. Esiboneke isihlahla sami ukuthi sibukeka kanjani. Ngenani ngiyango angakona wayivurekera. Sesigayilethi inyama. Oh. Uthi uhambe etoilet uhambe nomphela kobuyi. Usake enyameni. Hello. Sanibonani guys. Yeah. Ngihleze ngi-advertise lento njalo mengenza ama-story times ukuthi there is Avbob and there is Celsi. Both of these companies, they came together and did something that is called Dream Team. Yebo? Dream Team nami. And I'm sure ukuthi mangabe nibuka lapha yana kwi-podcast na kwi-YouTube everywhere nihleze nibona baya-advertise on YouTube, baya-advertise on radio stations, and ngihleze ngisho ke mina ukuthi you can never be a follower yale podcast ube yi-subscriber ubulawe indlala. Nangaphandle nje kokubulawa indlala lento akusiyona yomuntu ongasebenzi kuphela nomuntu osebenzayo needs this ngoba siyazi ukuthi sonke umkholo uhamba umkholo nje womuntu unamagama nezibongo. So angeke usevake ngomkholo kule life esiphilayo sabantu siphila ngoba everything is expensive. This is an opportunity to join Avbob and Celsi and make money. Uzihlalele nje ekhaya, you don't even need ukuthi uhamba wehla wenyu estratini uhamba ufunana nabantu. Lento yenziwa online, uyenze efonini, i-training is online. Buka nje khona kumanje sinale incentive nje international elandelayo. We are going on a sea cruise. If usebenza ke ka-Avbob angifuna uqamba amanga, you really get rewards for doing the work. You really get rewards. You'll never go hungry. Uyayibona into yenzayo, and yeah, I'm the proof because mina only joined like a month or two ago. I can't remember, but already saying withdraw imali. Angazi ngiphume ngehla ngenyuka ngikhankasa abantu yabo. For each and every person ojoinayo kunama bonuses. Yonke into iqala kancane. You connect one person ajoine athathe ipolicy yakhe uthola 100 rand wakho. You connect two people ajoine athathe ipolicy yakhe uthola 200 rand wakho. Kanjalo. Up until urenke. More renka, there is something called code 3, which means now unabantu abawu 3 also bajoinisile. Labantu abawu 3 also bajoinisile bathathile ama policy and nabo bazoletha abanye abantu babawu 3. Once baletha abanye abantu babawu 3 abakhokha ama policy automatically wena from lawyer 3 wakho from umuntu omjoinisile uthola ilokhunjana ibonus for ukuthi umuntu ojoine ngaphansi kwakho kusho ukuthi igeneration yakho leyo is already bringing in people who are bringing in what? Who are bringing in people who are bringing also their people abenza imali. You see how easy it is. You join, you get a link. Once you get a link, a link, that is the link that you'll be sharing to the people who you have a computer. How do they have to join? You know, akumelanga uhamba wehla wenyu on the street corners ngiyazi ukuthi mangabe kuthiwa Avbob uyucabangela abantu laba esesibabone ema-mall besijoyina umshwalense. Those people are sales people. The people esibabona ema-mall bemise amatafula ka-Avbob bedayisa u-Cell C, those are sales people. Wena uma ujoina on this one, you are not a salesperson. You are what we call a connector.
Business owner.
You are a business owner. You are what we call, you become a connector. Why? Because income yakho wena uyenza uhlele ekhaya. Uyenza uhlele ekhaya wena yakhe income, you are just using the link. Uzixoshela nje ikati eziko. Abanye bayakwenza full time and it really works for them. They make a lot of money abakwenza full time. But now osebenza you can do, because imagine how many people that you have on your WhatsApp. Just on your WhatsApp, how many contacts are on your WhatsApp, and how many groups you are on Facebook, how many people you have on TikTok. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. I guess ngavumi nje ukubulawa indlala when there are things like this. Ukubulawa indlala nje akungabi nje into esijwayelayo silindele ukuthi uzoze uhambe. Ake ngikubonise yaka Cell C. Does this have wheels? Let me show you eka Cell C ukuthi how it works. Nakhona mangabe ujoyina iyahambisana lento ipackage naka Cell C. Uma ngabe ujoyinisa umuntu eba i-connector, umuntu uzoba i-connector, and then abese enziswa i-training yokuthi akwazi ukurikha ama-SIM card. Urikhela bani na? Urikhela umuntu ofuna ukuswitcha, urikhela anyone ofuna ukuba i-connector kodwa futhi still aswitche ku-business. And each and every time njengoba ukwazi ukurikha nje efonini yakho yonke, khumbula yonke lento uyenza endlini uyihlalele kwakho nje, awuphumi, awuna stress, awuhamba ugijimisa abantu estradini, cha. Yonke lento you are doing it in the comfort of your couch at home, in your comfort of your bed. Uyilalele nje, uyilalele. Umuntu mangabe umrikhela online, umnikeze SIM card yakhe, nekaqeda. Once umuntu aqala ukufaka i-airtime ne-data, imagine ukuthi i-airtime ne-data sisebenzisa kangakanani because siphila kuma-phone. Each and every amount umuntu ayithenga i-airtime ne-data, you have 20% commission. Imagine you've got 10 or 100 people obaswishile wabarekhisa, and bonke labantu they spend money on data and airtime. Unemali nje zakona uyihlalela ungakaze wenze lutho, you've only worked once by ukumswisha umuntu wamnikeza SIM card. Isn't that easy? Ayingayibuzela nje, isn't that easy? Isn't that easy? Just comment on the comment section if you wanna know more information, or you can even DM me. Ushi number yako ngikufake kwi group. I-training yenzeka on WhatsApp. Cabang, you just get trained on WhatsApp. You don't need to stress. Ukuthi kufanele uhambe uye officeini ukuze uyothola i-training, ugibele spend imali. La you don't spend money but to make money. Because kwale policy lo oyithathile igcina isizikhokha uma ukhuthala usebenza, that policy pays itself. Unga-end up ufaka abantu abawu-10 bakini obazi kahle ukuthi mzukwane kwathiwa lo kuyaphela ngaye nonke kothiwa chipha imali. So you'll be safe ukuthi hayi, you know ukuthi hayi mina ngi-covered, mina ngino-Avbob, mina bonke labantu ngizobafaka lapha ngoba vele le policy izozikhokha, because uma usebenza uphusha abantu, ukhuphula abantu, udonsa abantu, nawe nabo nikhuphulana kanjalo uyayibona. So don't stress ngemali. You cannot be a subscriber here ube nenkinga yemali. Asibuke ke nase sami structure. I'm already a core 7. Remember, I only joined a month ago. I'm a core 7. I'm earning already. Yabona lama greens abantu abajoinile bonke laba bangaphansi kwami. And the people who are in blue, abantu abasebenzabantu ngaphansi kwabo, you can see ukuthi structure ngisiyakhula. Each and every person on blue ukho bani lo. The first one.
This one is code 3. Mahle wa build wakho code 3. Uma lo yedwa noma any one of these people can build just kanje noma faka abantu abawu2 ngala. This person will become a core 7 just like yourself. Mesa nalo ngoba code 3 oyedwa wala noma abawu2 balaba, they need to build the structure eskanje. So that this person can also rank up. Once you rank up, you become a core 7, you will become a business builder. Once you become a business builder, the company is going to give you 850. Just
the bonus.
Yes. So like us the bonus each and every day and each and every month as well would depend on Tina. Ungakwazi ukubuild the business by helping these people. Vele ka network marketing ithi siza abantu bakho ukuthi be rank. Once ba rank abantu bakho, your people will build you a business that you are looking for, so that you can enjoy money like nobody business.
Hi Khabo. Yes, injalo nje it's wow. Yabona nje njengoba uthi nje wow, injalo nje it's a wow. And ngifuna ukuyi-emphasize leyo ukuthi yonke lento uyenza uzihlalele endlini. You don't have to go estradini ugijimisa abantu. You don't have to spend the airtime ufonela abantu bancenga ukuthi abathathe ipolicy. You are not a salesperson. You are a connector, which means when yourself you are a business owner in this business. Avbob is giving you an opportunity to do what? To create your own business under your own business. Kusho ukuthi uyi-shareholder nje kahle kahle ka-Avbob naka-Cell C. Uyi-shareholder nje. All you need to do, just share your link. The rest, but they will take care of it.
Mfethu kubona umuntu ongasebenzi ukuthi umuntu ongasebenzi ngaso sonke isikhathi kukancane uthola ukuthi lo muntu akanalo idatha because lo muntu is fighting to have at least idatha while because he want to be connected. So that person we want to train him or to channel him ukuthi abe connected to a system that is then going to generate imali for him. Once he starts to generate imali for him, wonke umuntu start to make a earning and a living thereof. Because into mnandi bafethu siyayenza le uma kunesale ka-Shoprite sonke sasho uthawunakalama kunesale lapha nalapha nalapha lapha go buy 2 for 1 noma buy 3 not uthatha yodwa ncane ko-click zonke lezo into esiyenzayo. You are busy connecting people but you are not being paid for and you are not even recognized. But what Green Team, we are saying, come join the business. We are going to recognize you. We're going to give you other change because you're not saying one network marketing there.
Hey, ngiyayifuna le cruise. Yabona ke le cruise ngiyayifuna impela nje. Holiday la mahala just by being a business connector yaka Avbob. Free holiday.
So we are about to qualify office mina ngiqualifyile vele ne.
Ningasasithomeli Nkosi yami ko fish.
The question is, are you in? If you are in, come join the Green Team business until Mhlebele. What Green Team net manje sobe joina mahala. Ngamanye amazwi ucabanga ukuthi ufaka abantu kwi-business ujoina mahala bethatha amapolisi. Uma bebuilda their own 222, you will start to rank up with-business. Kanjena-ke abantu abathi khona soyibona le nto ngoba ngifuna ukushaya imali bafethu. Kanti i-interested ekwenzeni imali. Ngi-interested ekwenzeni imali mina bafethu.
Asidlele imali sosebenzeni imali.
Wena lo ne.
Naziya.
Banokuthatha ipolisi ngakho ufaka ukuphila phaya. Uma ungafaka abantu abawu-2 abazothatha amapolisi in themselves. Yabona ulo useqalile uyahola njalo kwi-business bongo usewucode 3 usethola u100 just for being a code 3. If this person can also stand up abantu bakhe abayi-2 who are going to take amapolisi bafowethu lento lesibiza ngokuthi i-core 7. Once this person becomes a core 7 in this business, imali kaRamaphosa usuyenzile ngoba la usuthola malini u250. Mohlanganisa le mali nale usuphumile u350 la wethu. Uphumile u350 la. Therefore imali kaRamaphosa usukwazi ukuyenza ungayenza even in just one calendar month.
Even in 2 days no kuphele because we just share the link. Yeah.
Umuntu ongabathi abantu abangasebenzi nikaza labo bantu abangasebenzi ithuba bekwazi ukuzenzela imali. Uma beqala benze imali ushaya imali. Ibukeke nathi ke thandwa nini. Uma ke labantu abawu2 nabo they will to sign up abantu babo nabo abayi2 ne. Abantu babo abayi2. Abantu babo abawu2 fanele bathatha amapolisi njalo bafethu labantu. One bathatha amapolisi bonke labantu. Ithini inkampani ithi wena lento awusafunile nokuthi wena ubani ulo business builder
nawo kumbuzo kupholoba uthi uma mina ngingasebenzi ngihlele ekhaya ngingakwazi ukukhokhela ipolisi ngizoyikhokhela kanjani uma ngabe nithi angiregister bese ngithatha ipolisi ukuze ngikwazi ukuhola.
Iyona ke lento ngisho ukuthi join business usebenzi uyasebenza join business sisebenzisa system ukwakha imali yokukhokhela ipolisi lesihlahla nje bathi ngikhaza sinabantu abawu14-15 ngawo awukekho ngisho umuntu osakhokhela ipolisi la kodwa inkampani isikwazile ukunikeza imali ngo-1,200 in just a space of 2 to 3 months kuwena okanye just a space of 1 month udepend ukuthi wena uyibuilda kanjani ibhizinesi. Mina ngithi success loves speed. Someone uzokwazi ukubuilda lesihlahla lesi in just 2 weeks wena u-1,200 you will be paid for the following month mhla ka-6. Then abantu abangaqali ngokuqala ukukhokhela amapolisi uma sebeqala bekhokhela amapolisi yeyini imali eyandala umuntu asekhaya azolokhu ingena kwibhizinisi ilula lento like ABC bafowethu.
Khabo, how do I start? Khabo, kule lokhunjana kule live mase ngiqedile ngizofaka i-link ozojoyina kuyona. And then kuloyo link ngizothola ama details akho mina ngizoya ku back end bese ngithola ama details akho ngikucontact. That's how easy it is to join. I'm just going to pin the link on the description box and then leyo link leyo uya register wenza yonke into then ngizothola ama contact details wakho.
Yes.
So qhubeka from there bese ngikufaka ku WhatsApp group la uzoloku uthola khona ama trainings weekly.
Ngicela ukugcina lapho now guys because we are doing ishifanya now guys. We are still celebrating like
Sesilambile siyodla.
the Heritage Month. So it's Green Team Heritage Month is under the board. Hence why we are doing lento ukuthi bafethu as a team adleli inyama mhlo ngikhombisile nanka nama rolls laphaya bafethu.
Yebo.
Siyakhala ama-collectors lawo people that very much
Yebo.
bafethu let them
Ha.
become a green team connector. Then let's enjoy.
Cabanga nje umqashi wakho kwenzela kangakho ibrayi ngonyaka la ekhaya ibrayi sidla noma inini masiyifuna. Inyama nje la ekhaya asinasizathu sokuthi siya celebrate asilinde iheritage nokhisimusi noma kunini umphathi makafuna ukuspoiler nje uvela sibiza athi wozani eoffice ngizodla inyama. Bo manje se Saturday I'm not working ngabasibasi ngila komunye ubasibasi. Ngizoyidlela inyama nje ngizoyichilela ngizoyiconnectela nabantu engisebenza nabo la ka-Avpop. Uyayibona? Caba awuyichaze la sesinawo kukhona eshaya moya. Uyasirobha uqala phansi kwenzakalani uzofika eshaya moya sifuna ukizwa yonke.
Some of our team leaders, they went to Shagamoya.
Next year is cruise.
Mina mfethu ngifuna ukumkhohlisa nokumqambela amanga bafethu. Wonke ama-trip azoba khona e-company. Elami igama will be there. Why? Because kanti ngiyithatha seriously business. So ngiba ngiyithatha seriously.
Hayi ngiyaphusha sikhokha ngifuna ukungazi hayi.
Mina kuyenzeka sawufona ubheke ngamehlo ayizona umsebenzi wale business.
Lo muntu uphendula imessage ngo 3 AM in the morning.
I know how to derive money in this business. But if you are looking for a broken ATM, come and join me.
Lie.
That's where money is. Tambo, signing out, and the law.
Hayi ke siyodla inyama manje, siyodla inyama sizonibona later. Uma ngabe ufuna ukujoyina ngizodropa down on the description box down below a link of how do you join on this business and make money lying on your bed. Bye.